Let's learn IIB. In part 1 of the video series, we created JAXP objects from XML schema. We learnt about MB Global Map and few other concepts. Let's continue with IIB project that we built and load records from database to global cache. With this test, we have verified the connection from IIB to database. We extracted 2 records. We now have created a way for EaseQL to interact with Java instance of global map. MB element is similar to reference type in EaseQL. Using a reference, you can navigate to sibling, parent, and child tree structures. You can create fields as children in reference. Same functionality is available through MB element. We have to match database row that gets returned to be similar to JAXP object structure. So I'm changing environment.db.row to environment.db.employee. We converted MB element to DOM.node, then use that to create XML string shown on screen. Learn the features of MB element as you will use it multiple times in your Java code, your Java compute node, and other IIB Java interactions. In case you are new to my channel, know that I share source code on GitHub page. Link in video description. I recommend that you create projects from scratch on your machine instead of importing my projects. By creating projects from scratch, you will cause many errors and you will learn about the tool in more detail from your errors. Refer my GitHub page for assistance when you are not able to solve errors. Recall, I did the same with IIB Lab exercise. IBM Lab exercise says employee Java object to global map. Avoid doing that. Store string or bytes only. When you store Java objects, it contains metadata information about the version, signature of class file used to create the data. Which means if you rebuild your code and deploy, you cannot use the cache data in global map. You will have to clear all the records from memory and reload them. Set up global cache on your broker if you have not done so. Here is the simple configuration that you can use. It's just mqsi stop command followed by mqsi change broker, then mqsi start broker. Now we load 2 records into cache and verify its presence using mqsi cache admin command. Observe, demo map has 2 partitions with 1 map entry each. With this we have successfully loaded records from the database to IIB's global cache. We will continue our video series tomorrow, wherein we will extract records from global cache and much more. Next video will be published tomorrow, 22nd May 2020. Let me know in comments if you rely on mqsi cache admin command to check on global cache or do you use any other options. Reply in comments.